We're here today at Amway to tour multiple facilities here, and it's all part of the Women in Manufacturing series that we've been piloting at Grandville High School to show the girls as part of a cohort the different pathways within manufacturing, pair them with mentors. They have done some networking, and now this is the culmination tour, and they were able to actually experience some of the manufacturing components.
Today, the Grandville students are going to view our production, how we receive those raws, how we weigh them up, and how we produce them.
We do a lot of activities on the docks, whether that's getting products and components for us or to support somebody else on this campus.
This is your raws that were pre-weighed for that batch. There's a wax on there, there's all sorts of different powders, liquids. You can get up here closer.
I'm going to be taking the group through our soft gel manufacturing process. After that, we're going to go into solid dose manufacturing, which is our tableting process for vitamins. And then I'm going to take them through about 3 different departments of how we package our tablets and soft gels in bottles, supplement packs, and foil packs.
I really like seeing the big tanks that they use to mix the products up, and then also the air combustors that they use to take air out of products as well was super cool to see.
We wanted to have all the students not just tour the facilities, but also see what it felt like to mix a batch and to package a batch.
We're challenging you. We're going to do kind of a mock packaging process.
We got to make our own products, especially the pumping part. It was so fun. We went pretty fast.
We are pumping our liquid into the bottles, tightening them, putting our sticker on them so we can take them home for later.
It was really fun, and we made 8 bottles per minute.
A big goal of ours moving forward in education is providing opportunities more and more for students to actually see careers. Connecting their content that they're learning in the classroom to actual careers has been absolutely incredible, and we want to continue doing more and more of this.
Giving students hands-on real-world experience has really built confidence for them and has also given them an idea of all the different careers that exist.
I can't believe how much impact this is going to have on their future, because if I would have seen this when I was their age, I would have jumped into manufacturing right away because it's so engaging and hands-on.
Super excited here at Amway to have these young individuals come in here and maybe even come here and work for us one day.
I think that's very important, especially when you want to find a career. You want to be able to be passionate about going to work every single day and loving what you do.
If I had to sum today up in one word, it would be fantabulous.
When you go to bed for the evening, sleep with your bedroom door closed to prevent the spread of smoke, heat, and fire. When you hear the sound of the smoke alarm, get out and stay out, go to your predetermined meeting place, and then call 911.